welcome you all in today's Alkabir EMS e-learning classes. In previous class, we have done 3-letter words with the help of a vowel sound. Now, today's class we are going to learn with the help of a vowel sound. We can make 3-letter words. So, let's start with the help of a vowel. The word is fed. The sound of this 3-letter word is fed. 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 F-E-D. Fed. The next is bed. 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 B-E-D. Bed. The next is led. 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 L-E-D. Led. The next is red. 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 R-E-D. Red. The next is wed. Wed. W-E-D. Wed. Now we will repeat all these. Fed. Bed. Led. Red. And wed. We will make now some more words. Den. Den. D-E-N. Den. Next is hen. 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 H-E-N. Hen. Next is man. 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 M-E-N. Man. Next is pen. 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 P-E-N. Pen. Next is ten. Ten. T-E-N. Ten. Now we will repeat all these. Den. Den. Hen. Man. Pen. And ten. Now we will take more words. Bag. Bag. B-E-G. Bag. Next, keg. K-E-G. Keg. Next, leg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Next, peg. P-E-G. Peg. Now we will repeat. Bag. Keg. Leg. And peg. Now we will take few more words. Get. G-E-T. Get. Next, pet. P-E-T. Pet. Next, net. N-E-T. Net. Next, wet. W-E-T. Wet. Now we will repeat. Get. Pet. Net. And wet. These all sounds are about E vowel. You have to learn these words with the sound and you have to write neat and clean in your notebook. Okay? So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you.